Chameleons are famous for their quick color changing abilities. Most people believe that they change color against the background so that snakes and other predators have a hard time spotting them. The truth though is that chameleons mostly change color to regulate their temperatures or to let other chameleons know their intentions. Stay until the end of this video as we're going to show you 7 amazing facts about chameleons. Number 1. There are more than 200 species of chameleon, as well as an additional 23 subspecies. 44% of them live in Madagascar, which has led people to believe that this is where they originate from. However, recent findings and theories show that actually mainland Africa is most likely where they originate from. Although the majority of these incredible species live in Madagascar, you can find them in India, Southern Europe, and Asia Minor. Unfortunately, these amazing creatures are a critically endangered species, and their population is declining further with every passing year. I guess their color-changing abilities aren't always effective against all predators. Deforestation, poaching, and the agricultural use of their natural habitat are the biggest threats against them. Number 2. They can change color at will. The first theory formulated about the chameleon's ability to change color based on their background they're against was the reptiles changed color by manipulating the pigments inside their skin cells. This is by no means an easy feat. It is a remarkably complicated and spectacular process. There are actually 2 layers of specialized cells lying under the creature's hide, which are loaded with tiny nanocrystals, and that is the key to a chameleon's color-changing process. The space between the crystals and the wavelength of reflected light is responsible for the color changes. When a male panther chameleon is chilling, the cells containing its crystals are held closely together. In this close-knit arrangement, they reflect blue light, which when filtered through yellow-scilled pigments, makes the animal look green. Though there is no clear answer as to how chameleons expand and reduce the distance between these nanocrystals and are able to blend into their backgrounds. By spreading the crystals even further, the reptiles can cause the light to reflect yellow or red tones. The skin's color changes according to the reflected light. Number 3. They can look everywhere. Chameleons have unique characteristics that make them one of the most amazing and special species among reptiles. One of these features is that their eyes work independently of each other, something that doesn't occur in humans. Chameleons can rotate each eye separately in order to focus on 2 different things at the same time. Each eye has an incredible range of motion. They can rotate 90 degrees vertically and 180 degrees horizontally, and can also move in opposite directions. So while one eye is looking upwards and to the right, the other might simultaneously be looking downwards and to the left. One advantage of this feature is that they have a panoramic view of the environment around them, and so have more chances of spotting any tasty prey or any threatening predator. Number 4. Their tongues are very sticky and speedy. The biggest weapon chameleons possess to catch and grip its prey is their tongue. It's about twice as long as their body and can accelerate at a blinding speed. If it were a car, it would accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 1/100th of a second. At peak acceleration, it's 264 times greater than the acceleration of the force of gravity. So when it sees prey that looks like a good snack, the chameleon unfurls its sticky tongue at such speed that the poor insect is caught off guard and captured. The chameleon's tongue rockets out of its mouth at such high speed due to the force by which it releases its tongue muscles. But this is not the only problem an insect faces when confronted with a chameleon. Unfortunately for them, there is literally nothing they can do if this speedy tongue touches them. The liquids surrounding the tongue are a very thick mucus, which is responsible for capturing the prey. Number 5. They change color to communicate and control their body temperature. You might think that chameleons change color because they want to camouflage themselves by blending into the environment. However, this is not the only reason. There are many other reasons surrounding this amazing ability and its purpose. Chameleons are a very shy species, and this isn't the case only when they encounter humans. When they want to impress the females, they do this by displaying bright colours. This is a trick which allows them to appear like the alpha male. It also has the added bonus of appearing aggressive and keeping competitors at a distance. Another important factor that forces them to change colours is the need to control their body temperature. Chameleons are exotherms, meaning that they cannot survive in extreme weather conditions. So when the sun is shining, they use bright colours to cool off, and when the weather gets colder, they become dark enough to attract any amount of warmth available. Number 6. They've got a distinctive jerky walk. There is a theory that explains their crazy way of walking, but no one has actually proved anything yet. If you watch them moving, chameleons move backwards first, even if in reality they want to move forward. Scientists say that this happens because they are imitating the movement of swaying tree leaves, and that is also why they camouflage themselves afterwards in green colour. But this weird way of walking is not the only thing that grabs your attention. Chameleons' feet differ from other lizards. Common lizards have 4 to 5 toes that work independently, just like humans do. A chameleon's foot, though, consists of 2 fleshy pads. One pad contains 3 digits that are fused together, while the other has 2 fused digits. Number 7. Chameleons come in a wide range of sizes. The world's smallest chameleon is the Brookesia micra, and it can literally fit in an expensive ring box. You can only find them on the eastern side of Madagascar, and it's only 0.6 inches from nose to bottom and 1.1 inches or 30 millimeters from nose to tail. While this is really small, the largest chameleon, called Parsons, can grow up to 2 feet or 60 centimeters long. Part of its length is due to its long snout, which can be around 8 to 12 inches, around 20 to 30 centimeters, of its entire body. You've watched 7 amazing facts about chameleons. If you want to learn more amazing facts about animals, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.